Hey guys, in the upcoming video I say 4 tablespoons. What I mean is 4 teaspoons. So just keep that in mind. So, grab a teaspoon, not a tablespoon for your vinegar. Hey everybody, it's Eddie.
It's Danielle.
From week 1 of camp. Thank you for joining our science experiment today. We're excited to show you guys what we have going on here.
We're so sorry that we can't see you in person, but we hope that you're staying safe, wearing your masks if you're around other people, and having a good summer. So today we are making plastic out of milk.
Ew.
I know.
That sounds gross.
But it's actually really cool. So all you need is milk, white vinegar, and if you want, you can have little shapes that you can form your plastic into. You can make Christmas ornaments or little figurines.
So today, the only other thing you might need is an adult to watch you guys and make sure you're being safe about everything. So if
That's why I'm here,
Yes.
making sure that Eddie is
I'm
being
safe.
safe.
Yeah, I have
Yep.
hot boiling milk here. I'm going to pour all over my... Oh, no? Don't do that?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Not today.
All right.
Yeah. Although we're in the perfect spot for that.
We are in a perfect spot, yes. We're currently at a hospital.
So what you will need to do is heat up your milk first. So you can either do it over the stove or in a microwave. Definitely ask your parents.
So we have a cup of milk, and then you're also going to need at least 4 tablespoons of white vinegar. And those are really the only, like we said, the only things we need. There's other things to jazz up your experiment or your science fun. We have food coloring that you can use to color the milk. And like Danielle said, we can do different cookie cutters to shape them. And then if you poke a hole in the cookie cutter, you can make a little ornament for your tree.
Ornament or a key ring if you need a gift for your mom or dad or yourself.
Yep. All right, so I think we're going to get started. Yeah. Do you want to pour first?
Sure.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Be careful with hot liquids.
Yes,
so
be very careful.
We're pouring a cup of like boiling or almost boiling milk into a glass bowl, a bowl that can handle like a hot liquid like that.
A little bit more.
So I need to go back to pouring school.
I know. Here, do you want me to pour yours?
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. I'm on a diet. And
all
then,
right.
After you?
Oh.
Okay. No, I'll take it. Sorry. Age before beauty. You're older and I'm more beautiful. Alright, so we're going to pour the vinegar in. So we're going to do 4 tablespoons. 2, 3, 4. And then Danielle. And while Danielle does her vinegar, I'm going to get started. So then all you do is stir it up a little bit. So you're going to stir it, just kind of gently stir, I think it said, and you'll eventually start to see like little plasticky, it'll start to curdle a little bit. So you'll get like chunks of milk that are gonna float to the top of your mixture here.
So what this is doing is that there is a protein in milk called casein, and once you add vinegar or what else? An acid.
Yep, any kind of acid, lemon juice if you have that around instead of vinegar, that would work also.
It changes the pH of that and changes how it forms.
Yep.
Yep, exactly.
Good homework lesson for you guys is maybe look up casein and see if you can tell us exactly what's happening in the milk. I did read a little bit about it. So it's a protein that when you introduce an acid to it, it unbinds from the milk and then it all clumps together with itself. And that's where it's almost like whey protein. You're like, if you ever heard of like milk and whey, like that top part that I think you make cheese out of whey. Mm-hmm. So it's that same kind of idea, but just with a different substance.
So as you see, we're just stirring, and there are some small separations happening. Just take some time, be patient. And you want to keep stirring until larger clumps of the casein appear.
If the video speeds up at this moment, it's because it's taken us 20 minutes and we were sitting here stirring milk like weirdos in a hospital. What else can we say? So if you guys decide to do this experiment at home, you know, take some pictures. I think there's a way to share them with the Facebook group, or if you want to take a quick video of what you guys have made, that would be awesome.
We would love to see it.
Yep. Okay. All right, deal. I'm pausing.
We've been stirring,
Welcome back.
and we definitely see the separation.
Mm-hmm.
So to make things a little easier, what we're gonna do is combine our two bowls so we can strain it as one. As one.
That's one bowl. All right, so you want to pour yours into mine?
Yeah.
There we go. Smells delicious too. If you could be here right now.
Makes me ready for breakfast.
So I don't know if we mentioned this before. If you have a dishcloth, or I think I've even seen paper towels would work to strain.
Cheesecloth.
Yep.
Anything that will hold the solids and let the liquid pass through.
You got
Because
it.
we want to capture the solids.
All right. I'm gonna do a pour here. Oh gosh. Oh man. Super easy. I don't know why the adult didn't do the pouring, but here we are.
Well, for fun. All right.
We got a clump of milk going on in this dish towel here.
So the adult gets the fun part of squeezing the warm milk and vinegar to separate.
Mm. How's it feel?
It is warm and squishy. We still have a little bit of liquid left in here.
Going.
It is pretty warm, so definitely ask an adult for help.
Good times. I also don't know if we said this before. Well, I guess if we're using it, you can use sometimes you can use a slotted spoon. So we have one of these spoons that could kind of scoop up all the casein in the spoon instead of doing this way. So I think either way will work out good. The dish towel way seems to collect more of that protein that we're looking
Put
for.
that in there.
Awesome.
Move all of that. You can see that it's just clear liquid now, or yellowy, but
Science.
not thick like it is, like milk looks normally. And here,
I might go grab the phone and then we can get a close up of
yeah,
it.
absolutely.
Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna touch it. Oh yeah. So it's pretty gooey. It's almost it's not quite like Play-Doh. I don't know what kind of consistency I would call that, but it's definitely less rigid than Play-Doh.
We'll try to squeeze maybe a little bit more water out. And what this will do will just help in your molding process. And after you get it into the shape that you want, whether it be ornament or whatnot, you want to let it dry for 24 to 48 hours. And I think the amount of moisture that it's in at this point will determine how long you need to let it dry for.
So the more liquid you get out of here now, the quicker it'll dry. And the quicker you can hang that plastic milk-based ornament on your tree.
All right. I think we're probably good.
Sweet. Also, like I said, we have food coloring. I think that last step is the step to add food coloring if you're going to do that. So you'd have like a vinegar, milk, like a blue or a red color, and then you squeeze it all out, and then the whole thing is dyed. You could probably add it now if you wanted to. But.
Absolutely. Or once everything's dry, then you can paint it or use markers and color it. Put any type of details or words that you may want on your thing. So.
And I'll be honest, I didn't try this myself, but I saw on one of the websites, if you add some laundry detergent, it will glow in the dark. So if somebody wants to try that and send a picture to us and see if that works or not, that would be an awesome addition.
Yeah,
We'll check
we'd
that
love
out.
to see that.
Yeah, thank
So
you
you
for
can
my
see-
casein.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Ugh.
It's, like you said, definitely a different consistency from Play-Doh.
Oh.
All right.
Cool. Also good for indoor snowballs at home when it's summer, like right now. You just throw this across the room.
I'm sure your parents would love that as well. All right. So then you can take your mold.
Yeah,
What do
I'm
you
gonna
got?
do a snowman.
Oh, I'm doing Maybe I'll
Oh,
do
this is what I'll start. A
the
snowflake.
snowflake.
I guess I'll just do it on the table here. I think if you have like a plate, like a plastic or a paper plate of some kind, it might be an easy way to put this on there to mold. It is kind of. I'm just sitting here. I'm kind of
It's
mesmerized.
fun to play with.
I didn't know what to expect, but this is pretty cool.
It is fragile, so be careful. Don't
Yep.
fling it around too much.
All right.
So you just put it in the middle of your mold and just press it down into all of the nooks and crannies.
Like
To
your
get the
favorite
shape.
English muffins. All those nooks and crannies. All right, it's in.
And at this point,
I'm gonna probably should. I'm gonna try. Let's see. Fits right in there.
yep. But this, you would leave it in your mold for the time that it needs to dry. You want it to be in a cool place. And like you said, 24, 48 hours and you'll get a pretty cool shape.
I like it. It's going to be hanging on my tree this Christmas. I'm smiling. I don't know if you can tell, but.
Hope you guys had fun.
But yeah, thanks for following
Yeah.
along. I can't wait to see all your creations and how cool they turn out.
And hopefully we'll see you soon.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.